Hello everyone and welcome to my corner of the world. Today I'm bringing you my card class to go, and the stamp set I'm going to be featuring this month is the Petal Palette. Beautiful set, some lovely images and just the loveliest of greetings that we have here. Now my card class to go will feature, as I say, this stamp set, and with it you will have the supplies and instructions to make 4 different cards, and you'll get to make 2 of each. So we have this one, and then with using the really pretty little flower, we can't really see that, the flowers here on this display. This card features this stamp, and then the 4th card in the set is this one. So as I say, you get to make 2 of each, and you'll get the supplies for every card, cardstock. The only thing that you will need to supply are inks, and the 2 inks that I've used are Basic Black and Early Espresso. And if you don't have these or any that's similar, you can add these to your order as well. The supplies will include envelopes for each of your cards. Now, to participate in this class, you will need to contact me, and there's a link to my website beneath this video that you'll be able to contact me. The class is $45. And for that, you're going to get a brand new stamp set and the supplies for 8 cards, including embellishments and ribbon, and to make 2 of each design. You'll also have access to a full PDF tutorial and video for each card, along with a supply list. If you don't live local to me, then there'd be a $4 shipping charge. If you just like the supplies without the stamp set, then that'll be $15 plus shipping. And you can also get the tutorial and access to the videos and supply list for $10. So I'm planning to do some more of these classes, and each of the classes will focus on 1 stamp set. So I hope you plan to join me this month for March 2018. As I say, just go to the link beneath this video and you will be able to find all the details to join in. I look forward to sharing these with you in more detail later. Bye for now.